Hey guys, so I thought I'd make a quick example here of how you use this word processor called Simple Writer. The purpose of using this is to take things that rely on complex language and we try to break them down into more simple terms so we can actually understand what it is that we're talking about. So, lots of times when we're talking about complex ideas, like cells, for example, it can be really we can rely on heavy vocabulary instead of actually explaining what we mean or what we know. We can kind of hide behind vocabulary and complex words if that makes sense. So this doesn't allow you to do that. So let me provide you with a quick example of what you can do here, and let's talk about Jurassic Park, the movie Jurassic Park. So I'm going to start typing what I know about Jurassic Park is a book and movie about genetically engineered dinosaurs. Okay. Now, there's a few things that you can notice here, right? It's not going to let me say the word Jurassic Park, genetically engineered, or dinosaurs. Those words are too complex to use. They're not used often enough in the English language. We have to use more simple terms. So you can see right down here it says you use some less simple words like Jurassic, like park, like genetically, right? So what my challenge now to do is to break these words apart a little bit. So let's start with genetically. So if I erase this word and say Jurassic Park is a book and a movie about genetically, DNA is not an option. Uh, Life information engineered. Let's change this to changed. And then here, let's do giant. Giant doesn't work. Let's do big. Lizards. Reptiles? Nope. Animals? Yes. Okay. So now what I've got is Jurassic Park is a book and movie about life information changed big animals. So you guys can see what the challenge is here is you want all of your text by the time you're done explaining how cells are important, what you know about cells. You want all of it to be broken down to the point that all of the text is black. From there, once I'm done, and you have no red words down here, you'll select all of this, you'll hit Command C, copy, and then you'll paste it back into that assignment that you just came from, okay? That's the purpose. Good luck, guys. This is a bit of a challenge.